Hey everybody, I got one more that I ended up by finishing up. I had already had it drilled out. This is a little bit smaller than some of the other ones. This is red, white, and blue. Blue pearl with a red pearl and just a solid white. It's got so you can see the pearl red on the back where that is there. And then you got the pearl blue there, and the white's just a regular white. This is a little bit smaller than some of the other ones. This is about, actually no, this is still about 7/8 of an inch. I think it's thinner. It's about 5/8 in thickness. Pretty little bead. I'm going to put this up on fiddlebone.com. Can be used for a lot of things to decorate with, whether a zipper pull, bracelet, or lanyard, something like this. I'll put it on a necklace, anything you want. It's absolutely gorgeous. So go by fiddlebone.com, check it out, tell your friends, share, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Alright, have a great day.